The coffee table, the heart of your living room, a place for resting your drinks, displaying treasured items, and setting the tone for your space. But how do you style it for both function and fabulousness? Fear not, design enthusiasts, for these simple tips will have your coffee table looking magazine-worthy in no time. Think of layering like building a miniaturized world on your coffee table. Start with a base like a tray, a beautiful book, or a woven placemat. Then add a decorative element with some height, like a vase or sculpture. Finally, top it all off with a small accent like candles, coasters, or interesting trinkets. Layering creates visual interest and will keep your display from looking flat. Of greenery is a fantastic way to add life and a touch of nature to your coffee table. A simple potted succulent, a single stem in a stylish vase, or a simple rose will all work wonders. For a more dramatic effect, consider a small bonsai tree or a cascading orchid. Do you have a passion for seashells, vintage cameras, or miniature figurines? Coffee tables are then the perfect platform for you to display your beloved collectibles. Arrange them in a cluster for a curated look, or use a shadow box for a more organized presentation. But remember, when incorporating your collectibles, it is best to edit down to a few key pieces so that you don't overwhelm the table. Now comes the fun part, arranging your pieces. The rule of 3 is your golden rule. Group items in trios, 3 candles, 3 stacked books, or 3 decorative boxes. This creates a visually pleasing balance and prevents the table from looking cluttered. Speaking of balance, don't forget to vary the height and sizes of your objects. A tall sculpture paired with a low bowl and a couple of coasters creates a dynamic display that draws the eye. with negative space, the area left empty on your coffee table is just as important as the objects themselves. It allows your decorative pieces to breathe and prevents the table from feeling overwhelmed and cluttered. Aim for a balance between filled and empty space for a more curated and sophisticated look. With these tips in your design arsenal, you are well on your way to styling a coffee table that reflects your personality and elevates your living room space. So get creative, have fun, and remember, there's no single right way to style the coffee table. Let your unique style shine through. Happy decorating!